Everybody, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Reason Things. Happy fall, y'all! We are doing a fall cooking, and we're doing side dishes. You know, everybody loves the side dishes for Thanksgiving. So these are some ideas that would be perfect for a side dish for Thanksgiving or a family get-together for fall. Hope you enjoy the recipe. And this is one that's easy any time of the year. So I hope you enjoy. Makes it easy is that there's not a lot of dishes. You can start out with a tinfoil pan. This is a box of Jiffy Mix. This is a half a cup of butter, 1 can of cream corn, oops, make sure not to have the lid in there, 1 can of whole kernel corn. There's only 5 ingredients in this recipe. Oops, well, there was supposed to be whole corn. This one here is going to be extra creamy because I opened 2 cans of cream corn. Oops. And then I just stir it around. I'm going to stir this in pretty good. And then to that, I'm going to add 1 cup of sour cream. I'm going to make sure that mix is stirred in. A cup of sour cream. And then just stir it in good. And then on top, we top with and then you just top it with cheddar cheese. And this goes in a 350 oven. So if you're doing the pumpkin bread, bake the corn casserole on 350 for 45 minutes.